Okay, so let's start by crossing the legs. We're coming into our easy sitting position. So Sukhasana. So we want to have a nice length through the spine without being rigid. Lifting the shoulders up towards the ears. Nice deep inhale and exhale. Just release those shoulders back down. Good. So let's do a few more. Nice deep inhale, shoulders up towards the ears. Exhale, dropping the shoulders back. And again, nice deep inhale, shoulders up towards the ears. And exhale, drop the shoulders back. So we've got a nice lifting up in the heart space. And let's bring the hands together into Anjali Mudra. So mudras are hand gestures. They're seals which connect us to the 5 elements. Relax the shoulders and just take a moment to close the eyes. And we're going to set an intention for our practice today. So today we're going to be exploring our creativity in our class today. So creativity is something we're all born with. And when we're connected to our creativity, we align to the divine self, the true self. Now, for many of us, our creativity gets blocked, shut down, or doesn't flow freely. We can lose confidence, self-belief, and fear can block our creativity from flowing through the energy body, which creates not only blocks in our external manifestations, but also our physical health. So let's set an intention together today to be willing to step into our creativity, no matter how fearful that might be. When we lean into our creative power, we're leaning into our God self. We're leaning into our power. So we're setting the intention to own our power and not be afraid of our power. So let's take a nice deep inhaling breath. Lift and lengthen, extend through the arms as you exhale. Draw the energy down through the crown, all the way through the body. So into our consciousness shower. Nice deep inhale. Reach through those fingertips. Feel those fingertips, feel the thumb. Lift and lengthen as you exhale. Flow of prana, consciousness, chi, flowing all the way through the body. You're going to close the eyes and let's do 3 more. Inhale. Exhale, flowing down. Keep the eyes closed if you can, so you can really feel and sense the energy. Keep the mouth closed so the breath is in and out of the nostrils. Good. 1 more. Nice deep inhale. Exhale. Good. Coming back to center. You're going to start to draw the palms outwards as you reach forwards. Inhale. Extend through the arms. As you exhale, drop the hands back. Good. Keep bending this left elbow. With the right hand, I want to hold that left elbow and start to draw it back in towards you without forcing, without pushing or pulling. Good. Keep lifting and lengthening through the spine. Then just start to release out through the waist. So you're just rocking gently from side to side. Good. Come back to center. We'll take 5 deep breaths here. Feel that openness in the heart, the chest. We're filling up with chi, with life force. And you're exhaling, letting go of any toxicity, negativity, lethargy. Breathe it out on the exhale. Good. We'll take it the opposite way. We're going to reach for this right elbow this time. Again, gently guide this right elbow towards the ear without force. The fingertips of that right hand are pointing down. Again, close the eyes. And I want you to lift and lengthen. Breathe into any sensations. So as you become more sensitive, you'll feel these different sensations, also known as samskaras, starting to show themselves in the physical body, the mental, emotional impressions. So we're clearing out some of the toxicity within the subconscious, unconscious mind through the body. Good. Inhale, lift and lengthen, extend through both arms. Drop that right hand down. Start to slide that right hand away. So we've got a nice length out of the hips and the waist here. And then gently start to pulse. We'll do a few side stretches. So we're just warming the body up. And the key area we're going to be working here is the sacral. So the sacral chakra is the second chakra. Good. Take it over to the opposite side. Reach over to that left side. Good. Lift up tall and gently start to pulse. And the second chakra governs the area around the hips, the pelvis, the lower back, lower abdominals, reproductive organs. And this is linked to our pleasure, our creativity. So we want to unblock this area this evening. Good. Coming back to center. You're going to cross the legs around the opposite direction. Again, lift and lengthen nice and tall. And just gently rest the hands over the knees. And I want you to start to circle. So imagine with a spoon in a bowl, you're starting to stir the mixture. And I want you to start to explore this movement. So taking it nice and gently, and in your own time, start to explore some of the edges. Allow the breath to go nice and deep into the belly. So the belly balloons, expands on the inhale. So deep abdominal breathing. Opposite way. Again, start to exaggerate that movement. Good, let's do 2 more. Good, and coming back to center when you're ready. Drop the shoulders back.